Good morning, friends. Myself Sejal Bari. Today's my topic is herbal drug interaction. Herbal drug interaction definition: when herbal medicinal products and Western drugs administered together may interact each other in body, leading to kinetic and dynamic alteration. Herbs are often administered in combination with therapeutic drugs, raising the potential of herb-drug interaction. Herb-drug interaction are of two types: pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. Reasons for herbal drug interaction are clinical lack of adequate knowledge, no quality control and assurance, no advanced research in this field, blind belief or overbelief, avoidance of patient history, adulteration in herbal drugs. Drug may interact with food, supplement, or any. It may cause any medical condition. The possible side effects are decrease action of drugs, increase action of drugs, or it may cause any adverse side effects. Herbal drug interaction includes garlic. It may lead to increase in bleeding times with anticoagulants, decrease in blood levels and toxicity of protease inhibitors like ritonavir, indinavir, ginger. It may lead to increase in bleeding with anticoagulants, decrease effect of antacid. Ginger might decrease blood sugar. High blood pressure interacts with ginger. Black pepper, black and white pepper might decrease how quickly the liver breaks down some medications. It will decrease the action of antacid. The black pepper majorly show interaction and increase the AUC of the drugs. Clove buds. Clove contains eugenol. Eugenol is a part of clove that might show blood clotting. It may increase the bleeding with drugs such as anticoagulants and NSAIDs like aspirin, diclofenac, ibuprofen, naproxen, and others. In children, decrease the effect of anti-epileptic drugs as phenytoin by damaging liver. Turmeric increases the activity of antacids, increase the blood thinning effect with drugs like warfarin and aspirin. Grape juice, it increases the oral bioavailability, increase gastrointestinal absorption and bioavailability of statins like levostatin.